Good morning, sir. Myself Pratibha from CSCA section. Today I discuss about the switching in computer networks. What is switching? Switching in computer networks refers to the process of directing data between devices using network devices like switches and routers. It determines the path for data to travel and can be done through different techniques such as circuit switching. Circuit switching dedicated the path for the duration of communication, and next one is packet switching. Packet switching is data is broken into packets and sent independently. And next one is the message switching. Whole messages are stored and forwarded. These techniques enable efficient and reliable data transmission across networks is known as the switching in computer networks. Various switching mechanisms. There are three types of switching methods. First one is circuit switching, message switching, and third one is the packet switching. Packet switching is also divided into two types. First one is datagram packet switching, second one is the virtual circuit packet switching. And this is the types of switching in computer networks. Circuit switching. Circuit switching is a traditional method of communication where a dedicated communication path is established between two devices for the duration of the communication session. And circuit switching works as when two devices such as telephones want to communicate, the network establishes a dedicated physical path between them. Once the circuit is established, the communication sessions takes place over the exclusive path and it remains the reserved for the entire duration of the session. The connection is terminated when the session ends, freeing the path for other users. And key characteristics of circuit switching is dedicated path. The path between devices is reserved for the entire session. Continuous data flow. Once the connection is established, data flows continuously along the dedicated path. Connection oriented. Before communication can start, the circuit must be established. And the applications of circuit switching is mainly used in traditional telephone networks, public switched telephone networks or PSTN, where the connection must be maintained throughout the conversation. And next one is the message switching. Is a technique in which entire messages are sent from one device to another without being divided into smaller packets. The messages are stored temporarily at intermediate nodes until they can be forwarded to the next node. And message switching, how it works. A message is sent from the sender to an intermediate switch where it is stored. The message remains in store until the next switch is available to forward it. This continues until the message reaches the destination. And the key characteristics for message switching is store and forward. Each node stores the entire message before forwarding it. No need for dedicated path. The message can be routed across different paths. Delay. There is a significant delay due to store and forward mechanisms, and the applications of message switching is used in early telegraph systems and some early email systems like the X.400 protocol, but it is rarely used today due to delays and inefficiencies. And this is about the message switching. And the next one is the packet switching. Packet switching is the most widely used switching method in modern computer networks, including the network. In packet switching, data is divided into smaller packets, each of which is sent independently across the data. And packet switching works as data is divided into two packets, and each packets may take a different routes to reach the destination. Each packet contains a header information, including the destination addresses to ensure it reaches the correct device. The packet may arrive out of order and are they reassembled at the destination. Um, Datagram packet switching and virtual circuit packet switching or datagram packet switching. Each data frame is taken as individually entity and thus they are processed separately. Here no connection is established before the data transmissions occurs. All through this approach provides the flexibility in data transfer. It may cause a loss of data frames or late delivery for the data frames. And the next one is the virtual circuit packet switching. Is is a logical connection between the source and the destination is made before transmitting any data. These logical connections are called virtual circuits. Each data frame follows these logical paths and provides a reliable way of transmitting data with less chance of data loss. And this is about the packet switching. And the key characteristics of packet switching is no dedicated path. There is no need for a continuous dedicated connection between devices. Independent packets are transmitted independently and may take different routes depending on network conditions. And the applications of packet switching is the backbone of the internet, supporting services like email, web browsing, and file transfer. And the conclusion for switching is a fundamental networking process that enables the exchange of data between devices within a network. By efficiently directing data packets to their correct destination, switches help maintain smooth and organized communication, ensuring that multiple devices can share the same network without interference. Ensuring multiple devices can share the same network without interfaces. Switching is a crucial for the seamless operations of local area networks, and the overall performance of network is infrastructure. And this is about the switching in computer networks. Thank you, sir.